Do you think Lego would be indestructible if you dropped it from 3 meters up? Today we're going to test how to make Lego indestructible. In 3, 2, 1. How? Okay, so this is the indestructible Lego. It is made out of bubble wrap and tape. Hopefully this will survive 3, 2, 1 dropping. So right now we're about 2 meters up and I'm going to slam this Lego down on the ground. 3, 2, 1. That is crazy.
How did we survive that?
Okay, we're going to be dropping this off the balcony in 3, 2, 1. Ow! How? So we're going to drop it from 3 meters in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I landed it in the tree. Okay, so now I'm going to slam it onto the ground from about 3 meters up. 3, 2, 1. How? Landed in the tree. And it's obviously not scratched. So I'm going to do it one more time, and if it's broken, that means it's not indestructible. But if this one survives the next shot, this will be crowned the indestructible Lego. If this Lego survives this drop, that means this is the indestructible Lego. But if it doesn't survive, then part 4 will be coming soon. I'm going to slam it as hard as I can. Hopefully, it survives. 3, 2, 1. How? So the question is now, what does it take to break an indestructible Lego brick?